Good afternoon, my name is Grant Hatcher. Today's May 28th, 2026. This is for FTT 211, week 4 of the final project. So today we're going to be putting everything together. So I'm just going to read off our steps. So we're going to follow the instructions, complete the assembly, submit evidence. We're going to install the butt plate, toe plate, and the lock plate. Ramrod, retaining spring, sights, barrel pins, trigger assembly, tang screw, bolster screw, and nipple, finished rifle showing the muzzle cap and trigger guard installed. And then we're going to summarize and talk about any challenges or difficult steps in the process. So I'm going to start off with the barrel, and then we're going to go to the stock and then put everything together. here she is. And I am loving the way this thing turned out. I'm very proud of myself, honestly. There was definitely some hiccups. I think the biggest thing I struggled with was the butt plate, again, for polishing. I mean, it turned out, you can see the middle was good, but then I had some issues over here. And as far as the finishing process, the polishing was the hardest part. Shouldn't have been, but is what it is. No, this was really fun. I think it came out great. I can't wait to shoot it. I think I'm ready to fight some redcoats now. But yeah, this thing is awesome. I'm gonna go hang it up over my office now.